I'm Elana Horwich of Meal and Spiel, and I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect summer fruit sangria that will not leave you with a hangover. And that is very important when you're throwing a party. I know, because years ago, the first time I made a sangria, I got a recipe from my friend Raquel, who was Spanish. And she told me to use red wine and put vodka in it and lemon soda. And the combination gave me a headache before the party was even over. And I literally didn't touch sangria for 20 years. I have finally discovered the perfect way to have fruit and wine together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go into the kitchen and have a party and feel great. We're going to start with using a vinho verde, which is a very light Portuguese dry white wine. It's also not incredibly expensive, which is good when you're mixing wine up and you're going to be making a lot of it for your parties. And next, we're going to be using an Italian Moscato, which is a slightly effervescent and slightly sweet wine. Almost any fruits are gonna do, but in the summer we have the option of using all these delicious fruits like apricots and plums and peaches. We have cherries, we have pears and apples. So now we're just going to add the fruit to the pitcher. I love to use a few slices of orange because it adds a nice acidity. And now we're gonna add our wine. And let me show you how a Jewish girl opens up a bottle of champagne, or Moscato in this case. You hold it tight and just squeeze it and just turn a little bit and it will pop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. L'chaim. All right, and then you just put the Moscato in here. Just put in all we can. After the first glass that we drink, we'll add the rest. Anyway, you want this to sit. The longer it sits, the better it's gonna be. So make this a few hours before your guests come over. Now we're gonna garnish our wine glasses. 1, because it's a beautiful thing to do, and 2, it actually adds some flavor. So we're gonna put some cherries on the bottom. Strawberries work too. These cherries are gonna taste really good when your guests are finished with their wine. You can add basil. I also really love rosemary. So keep this fruit in the pitcher all day and keep adding more wine to it. Then at the end, of course, you're gonna wanna eat this fruit and get drunk off of it. Chin chin, here's to a slightly intoxicated summer.